Hi, this is Rory Singh from the PowerhouseMarketer.com. Today I'm just doing a quick review on a new system called Softrade AI. Okay, before I get into a review of Softrade AI.com, I just want to let you know up front I'm not an affiliate who's trying to sponsor, recruit you, or convince you in any way to invest into this new deal. I'm just here to do a quick, unbiased, non-affiliate review. Okay. Also, if you are looking for a legitimate affiliate marketing program, powerful, lucrative system, underneath this video, first link in the description. Second link in the description, I'm going to create an MLM blog review for Softrade AI. If you want to view this review on my blog, you can just advance to the second link underneath this video after you watch this quick review on YouTube. Okay, so let's get right into it. Softrade AI, okay, as well as a review of domain softtradeai.com. Towards the end of 2019, I would say from mid 2019 towards the end of 2019, I noticed a reduction in the amount of crypto platforms, MLM crypto platforms that were being launched. So I was thinking that there are not too many of them being created nowadays. But as of January, lo and behold, there's a ton of them that keep launching every single day. Okay. And there's a whole bunch of people promoting and a whole bunch of people investing. Okay. So in this review, what you're going to learn, I'm going to present you with some quick common sense information based on stuff that Softrade AI has already publicly published on the internet in their channel, as well as other websites and publications. Okay. In the end, it will leave you with enough common sense information as to whether you want to invest and be part of Softrade AI or not. Okay, so let's get right into it. A lot of people want to know, is this a scam? Okay, we're going to get into that in just a moment. First of all, I went over to their website at softtradeai.com. I noticed that their website was not that mobile friendly. However, it did have a professional look and feel. Whoever created this website did a good job. It looks like legit on the outside. Okay. Now on the website itself, I was looking for ownership, co-founders, president, CEO, CFO, CTO, leadership council. On the website itself, no one's claiming any ownership or leadership of this company, system, and platform on their own website legally for whatever reason. I did find a marketing video, gentleman with a European accent, and they're naming him Ryan Baines as the CEO. The domain softtradeai.com. Let me just take a sip of my water here. It was privately registered on December 14th, 2018. So I'm thinking that whoever created this system and platform, this might have been an idea that has been in the works since 2018. Now, I tried to find information on this named CEO, Ryan Baines. I'm saying named because I've seen a lot of these platforms that were created by anonymous people who hide behind the scenes. Usually they don't tell you about any names, but whenever they do name, like this is a CEO, this is our executive council, usually the great majority of time, because of liability issues, they usually make up names. Okay, so we're always questioning if this person is real. So on the marketing video, gentleman is supposedly the CEO, going by the name of Ryan Baines, has a European accent. Okay. Now, I did a who is search. Actually, I did about 3 of them. And finally, I found enough information. Now there's a website, on the website for Softrade AI. They're listing a UK address. Now, on the domain search, the who is domain search, you can go do this for yourself. They're saying private registration, etc. But they're listing an owner, Ali Jawad Rana, out of Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, with an address in Mississauga. Okay, but the organization for this domain, the listed organization owner is listed as Server for Sale. And Server for Sale, I went to that website, and it's a company in Pakistan, right, who provides services for web hosting and server service, etc. for other companies. Okay, so it's kind of unclear as to who is really behind the system. It could be people from Pakistan. I'm thinking Ali Jawad Rana could be just a contact, or it could be a silent partner, right, out of Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. But Server for Sale is operating out of Pakistan. So I'm thinking I'm going to make a guess that whoever owns Softrade AI, that they're probably based out of Pakistan, even if they've got a guy by the name of, well, supposedly named Ryan Baines, could be another dude right here in Ontario, Canada, who made the video, or maybe he's a silent partner as well. All these different things are kind of unanswered questions. So to me, they're giving a lot of information as to how they're promising that you could make ROI with their platform, but they're not listing important information as to who is really behind this company. I'm thinking that's an important thing, right? I don't like partnering up with anonymous owners, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a moment. So this is network marketing, partial network marketing. I say partial because there's no retailable products or services. However, network marketers and affiliates can market the Make Money ROI membership itself. So no product, no retailable product line. Compensation plan, they're asking you, investors, to invest between $25 to $100,000. Promise of 2 to 4% daily ROI. They have 3 different plans to choose from at the moment. The first one, invest $25 or more. Promise of 2% daily ROI over 35 days. Plan number 2, invest $100 or more. 3% daily ROI over 35 days. Plan number 3, invest $500 or more. Promise of 4% daily ROI over 35 days. They're also paying out referral commissions, of course. That is why we have network marketers marketing this deal. And how they pay out referral commissions is by using a uniline compensation plan, paying to a depth of 4 levels deep. Okay. For level 1, for all of your personally sponsored people, you're looking at 7%. On level 2, 3%. Sorry, levels 2 and 3, 2%. So I'll start over again. Referral commissions paid out like this. On level 1, for all of your personally sponsored people, promise of 7% commissions. Levels 2 and 3, 2% commissions. Levels 4, 1% referral commissions. There is a way to pump up your referral commissions, increase them, and that is by your performance, by a rank advance. They have different ranks here, and they seem to have 3 different ranks that you can move through. And how you move through these ranks and advance to more commissions, ka-ching, ka-ching, on the back end, is by recruiting more people, convincing more people to invest. The more that they invest, the more commissions that you can unlock for yourself. So it's all about recruitment and downline investment. Okay. Cost to join Softrade AI, free to join, to get the network marketers in the deal, to promote it. And for the passive people who just want a passive ROI investment, you're looking at a minimum of $25 to test the waters. Let me get to a quick conclusion and verdict. I don't recommend Softrade AI. Reason being, Too many red flags, lots of risk. First red flag would be anonymous owners. We don't know who truly is behind the system. And if they shut down for any reason or get shut down, who will you sue? Who will you go after your money for investment? Some people are going to say, well, we're going to only invest a little bit amount of money here, like maybe $100, $500, just to test the water, see what happens. No biggie. I get comments like that on my videos very often. But the thing is, in order for you to have life-changing, I'm thinking you're here for life-changing income, right? Aren't you? Right? So life-changing income would mean that you would need to invest like 30 grand. In one of these deals, if I want to change my life by investing in an MLM crypto investment opportunity, I want to put down $30, $50, $100,000 so I get back some life-changing return. Getting back 2 to 4% daily ROI on $500, what is that? What's that going to do for you? Not very much for the long term. So these are the things we got to think about as entrepreneurs. So if I was a person who wanted to put down $30, $50, $100,000, right? If I totally thought this was legit, I would go out there, find the money, even if I got to borrow, take out a loan, 100 grand, plop it down. If I think it was legit, if I was sure it was legit, then I would get back some life-changing income. But who am I going to sue if the anonymous people run off with shut the platform down, do a scam exit, right? Run off with your money. Who am I going to sue? So I think anonymous ownership is very important. Okay, so second red flag here, external trading revenue. Just 1 sec, let me have a sip here. Softrade AI is claiming that external revenue is being created by trading, etc. Okay, but they're not showing any proof. The only verifiable proof that I could see that's coming into this platform is from new recruitment of new investors to pay the older ones. Okay. Now, third red flag would be an SEC or its equivalent issue. What does that mean? This is a securities offering. Anytime any website, company, platform, system uses the words ROI, investment, etc., then they are offering you securities. And if they are not registered in the UK, if they're not registered in Ontario, Canada, if they're not registered in Pakistan, they're not showing any proof that they're registered anywhere in the world to offer securities. We could have people come in from the US, see this deal and say, hey, I could make a lot of referral commissions, network marketers in the US. And if that happens, then if they would start doing business in the US by promoting in the US, and then they would have to register with the SEC. So what I'm trying to say here, Softrade AI is not showing any proof that they're registered legally to offer securities anywhere in the world. And what does that mean? Why is that important? Well, that's important if the authorities decide to shut them down for any reason, then your investment can be at risk. You could lose it, right? Now, some people will say, well, we have consumer watchdogs like the SEC or its equivalent worldwide or the FTC, but we've seen over and over, whenever they take a company down, the authorities, hardly anyone, meaning the people who are calling, here's my quote sign, victims, hardly ever get their money back. Okay, so these are some things that we really need to think about as entrepreneurs. So for these three main red flags here, I can't recommend Softrade AI. However, I'm not telling you what to do. I surely am not going to promote it, but if you want to, test the waters, by all means, do so. The best way to learn is by your own experience, by even I've learned a lot by making my own experience, but learning from those mistakes, learning from the mistakes that I've made, recalculating, making better decisions, and creating a better experience for myself. So I would say you don't have to believe a thing I say if you want to truly invest, or if you want to truly promote deals like this. By all means, you have to learn by experience and go out there and learn, guys. Now, for the rest of you guys who resonate with my message about risk and if you're looking for a legitimate way to make long-term income for yourself, powerful affiliate marketing system that's been set up for 4 years now. Very transparent. You'll meet the system owner after you take the first step below. He has a lot of credibility in this issue and in this industry. He has a lot of credibility in this industry. It's a very lucrative compensation plan. We've already seen many people fire their bosses and who are living the laptop lifestyle of freedom currently right now. Opportunity lower below. Again, my name is Rory Singh from thepowerhousemarketer.com. This concludes my Softrade AI review. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day.